Definition. Frequency distribution is a statistical representation of how often different values or ranges of values occur in a set of data. In other words, it shows the number of times each value or range of values appears in a dataset. Frequency distribution can be presented in a tabular form known as a frequency table. In a frequency table, the values or ranges of values are listed in one column, and the corresponding frequencies or number of occurrences are listed in the adjacent column. For example, suppose we have a data set of exam scores for a class of 20 students, see scores below. To create a frequency distribution for this data set, we would group the scores into ranges and count the number of scores falling within each range. We could create a frequency table with the following format. This frequency distribution shows that 6 students scored between 70-79, 9 students scored between 80-89, and 4 students scored between 90-99. Here are the steps to create a frequency distribution table. 1. Collect your data. Gather the data you want to analyze. This could be any type of data, such as exam scores, customer ratings, or product sales. 2. Determine the range of values. Decide on the range of values you want to use for your frequency distribution. For example, if you are analyzing exam scores, you may choose a range of 0-100. Range equals highest score minus lowest score. 3. Group your data. Group your data into intervals or ranges based on the range of values you have chosen. For example, if you are using a range of 0-100, you may choose intervals of 10, such as 0-10, 10-20, 20-30, and so on. Interval I. Four. Count the frequency of values in each interval. Count the number of values in your dataset that fall within each interval. This will give you the frequency for each interval. 5. Create a frequency table. Create a table with 2 columns. In the first column, list the intervals you created in step 3. In the second column, list the frequency of values for each interval that you counted in step 4. Example. 6. Add up the frequencies. Add up the frequencies to find the total number of values in your dataset. 7. Optional. Create a histogram or bar graph. You can create a histogram or bar graph to visually represent your frequency distribution. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.